Hello students, good evening. I am Madhuri, a maths teacher. I will teach you 9th standard maths today. The first lesson is number system. Today, part 6. Today, we will learn about laws of exponents for real numbers. And this is part 7, exercise 1.6. Laws of exponents for real numbers. You already learned about laws of exponents in grade 7th, grade 8th also. So this is easy for you now. Important points. Exponent. What is exponent? If a and n are natural numbers, then in a raised to n, a is called the base and n is called the exponent. A is called the base and n is called the exponent. Laws of exponents. If a greater than 0 is a real number and m and n are rational numbers, then a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. A raised to m into b raised to m. Here, exponents are same, base are different. So, we will multiply the base. AB, the whole raised to m. Here, everywhere, base same, exponents are different. Here, base same, exponents different. But here, exponents are same, exponents same, but base are different. So, fifth one, a raised to negative 1 is 1 by a. A raised to negative m is 1 by a raised to m. Here also 1 by a raised to 1. A raised to 1 is a. Now a raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. 5 raised to 0, 1. 10 raised to 0 is 1. 105 raised to 0 is 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So now we will solve textbook example 21. Simplify. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. This is a raised to m into a raised to n form. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So here you will get 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here denominators are same. We will add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 3. 2 raised to 3 by 3. So here you use which law we use here? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So here 2 raised to 3 by 3. 2 raised to 3 by 3 is equal to 2 raised to 1. So 1 times 2, that is 2. Second one, 3 raised to 1 by 5, the whole raised to 4. That means a raised to m, the whole raised to n. So a raised to m into n. Here 3 raised to 1 by 5 into 4. Which law we use here? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 1 by 5 into 4. 1 by 5 into 4 is 4 by 5. 3 raised to 4 by 5. Next one, 7 raised to 1 by 5 divided by 7 raised to 1 by 3. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m minus n. So here 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Which law we used? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here what is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3? A by b minus c by d is equal to numerator of the first fraction into denominator of the second fraction, cross multiplication. Okay, a b minus denominator of the first fraction into numerator of the second fraction, cross multiplication, BC, divided by product of the denominators. So AD minus BC divided by BD. Here you will get 1 into 3 minus 5 into 1 divided by 5 into 3. 1 into 3, 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1 divided by 5 into 3. So 3 minus 5 divided by 15. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 15. So you will get 7 raised to negative 2 by 15. But you know that a raised to negative m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So here there you can write 1 by 7 raised to 2 by 15. But this is okay. We can stop here. Next one, 13 raised to 1 by 5 into 17 raised to 1 by 5. Here exponents are same, base are different. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b raised to m. So here 13 into 17 raised to 1 by 5. So which law we used? A raised to m into b raised to m is ab the whole raised to m. Here 13 into 17 the whole raised to 1 by 5. What is 13 into 17? 221 the whole raised to 1 by 5. Exercise 1.6. First question. Find 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 you can write as 8 squared. So 8 squared the whole raised to 1 by 2. So a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So here 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1. You will get 8. 8 raised to 1 is 8. Okay, 2 and 2 cancel. You will get 8 raised to 1. That is 8. So which law we used? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. Second one, 32 raised to 1 by 5. 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2. So 2 raised to 5 the whole raised to 1 by 5. See, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, 5 and 5 cancel, you will get 2 raised to 1, that is 2. Which law we used here? By using the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Second one, 125, the whole raised to 1 by 3. 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 cubed, the whole raised to 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3 means 3 and 3 cancel. 5 raised to 1, 5. The same law we used, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. All the three places we use the same law. Second one, 9 raised to 3 by 2. 9 you know that 3 into 3. 3 squared, the whole raised to 3 by 2. So that means same law. 3a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 3. 3 cubed. 3 cubed means 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. Second, so here we use the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, 3 raised to 3. Now 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 you know that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2. So you will get 2 raised to 5. The whole raised to 2 by 5. That means 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. A raised to m, the whole raised to n. A raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. 2 raised to 2. That is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Same law we used. By using the law, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Now next one, 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 raised to 4. The whole raised to 3 by 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. You will get 2 raised to 3. That is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. By using the law, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Now 125, the whole raised to negative 1 by 3. 125, you know that 5 cubed, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 cubed, the whole raised to negative 1 by 3. That means 5 raised to 3 into negative 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 5 raised to negative 1. So a raised to negative 1 is 1 by a. You will get 1 by 5. So here by using the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Here equal sign. And a raised to negative 1 is 1 by a. Next one, simplify. Third question, simplify. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. A raised to b, a raised to m into a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So you will get 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to 13 by 15. By using the law, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So how we solved m plus n? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. A by b plus c by d is equal to ad plus bc divided by bd. So you will get 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is a into d. That means 2 into 5 plus b into c. 3 into 1. That is 2 into 5 is 10 plus here 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So 10 plus 3 divided by 15. 13 by 15. A by B plus C by D is AD plus BC divided by BD. You will get 2 raised to 13 by 15. Okay. A 2 into 5, 10 plus B, A by B into C, 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 10 plus 13 by BD, 3 into 5, 15. Now, 1 by 3 cubed, the whole raised to 7. 1 you know that 1 cubed is 1, 1 raised to 5 is 1, 1 raised to 100 is 1. Here 3 cubed. So 1 we will consider as 1 cubed. So this is equal to 1 by 3 the whole cubed. 1 by 3 the whole cubed, the whole raised to 7. So you will get 1 by 3 raised to 3 into 7. Okay. So that means a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 1 by 3, the whole raised to 21. So which adds here 1 by 3, the whole raised to 21 is 3 raised to negative 21. You know that a raised to negative m is 1 by a raised to m. So this is 3 raised to negative 20. 1 by 3 is 3 raised to negative 1. So 3 raised to negative 21. Okay, 1 by 3 is 3 raised to negative 1. 3 raised to negative 1 into 21 is negative 21. So by using the law a raised to m into the whole raised to n. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. And a raised to negative 1 is 1 by a. Next one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n form. So that is a raised to m minus n form. Here 11 raised to half minus quarter. So 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 half minus quarter is quarter. 11 raised to 1 by 4. So by using the law a by a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So here a by here how we subtracted 1 by 2 is simple only, but I am just explaining for every students. All the students will not understand easily, so for slow learners also I have to explain. A by b minus c by d is ad minus bc divided by bd. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So AD is 1 into 4 minus BC is 2 into 1. So 4 minus 2 divided by, so 4 minus 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 4 is 4 minus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by denominators 2 into 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 4 minus 2 divided by 8, 2 by 8. So 2 by 8, the simplest form of 2 by 8 is 2 and 8. Both are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. 11 raised to 1 by 4. Next one, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Here exponents are same. So when the exponents are same, we will multiply the base. 7 into 8, the whole raised to 1 by 2. A raised to m into b raised to m is ab raised to m. So here 7 into 8, the whole raised to 1 by 2. 56 raised to 1 by 2. By using the law, a raised to m into b raised to m is ab, a into b, the whole raised to m. Now representation of root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. on the number line. That will be the next class. Okay. Up to that, you learn today's class. Understand, go through the lesson, understand the class, and practice several times. Learn well and understand well. Up to that, bye.